quick in the kitchen cooking. We're gonna do Mediterranean bowls, and I have a helper tonight. Go on. So far, I prepped tomatoes and cucumbers, making rice. He's sauteing onions. What we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of make everything in a one pot meal. We're gonna do the lemon rice, we're gonna do corn, and we're also gonna do gyro meat, which is lamb. Gyro, gyro, however you wanna say it. Either way, we're not stressing. But we're gonna make it all together, and then we're gonna add our toppings with our feta and our hummus, and then we are gonna do some pita chips with it. So let's do it. Fresh garlic. I love this thing. It makes quick work of chopping garlic. Actually, he wants to do it, so let me show you. You just gotta pull. Yep. Well, show the besties.
all right, guys.
Gonna rise in the garlic. There you go. It's like a lawnmower. If you ever mow the lawn. Come on, let's go. Come on. Hey, there we go. Wazzy, wazzy, wazzy. Uh-oh. Don't you punch me. We'll be fighting in the kitchen. All right. What does it look like? How is it going? How's it doing? Looking good. Maybe, yeah. All right, maybe a couple more waz. Come on, put some muscle in it.
Hold on, sir. I don't want to hurt him.
Oh, don't hurt him now. Don't hurt him. All right, that's looking great. Perfect. Good job, son. Perfect. This is 2 packs of gyro meat from Trader Joe's. First of all, if you've never had their meat, it is amazing. It's restaurant quality. But this, in this family, would not go very far, especially with... So, what we'll do is I'm going to chop this up into pieces. I'm going to crisp it up, and then we're going to put it in the rice. So it's an all-in-one pot dish. There's a lot going on in this house. Charles is upstairs running around. Hubby is highlighting his hair. It's a gay household. Well, most of us. Cutting these up into pieces so that I can add it into the pot so they'll crisp up. Now sauteing this until it's brown and it gives off its juices. This is perfect. Now, he's gonna pour in the corn and we're gonna let that all marinate. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Tony Sacheries. Pepper. Lemon juice. This is lemon juice that we get from Costco. It's organic Sicilian lemon juice. It's fire. Now we gotta add some rice in here. Not like a ton. I actually think I made more than we need. We want just enough to bring it together. We want a good ratio. Meat, corn, and rice. So let's start there. Perfect. Oh, now you want to stop dancing?
You do, man.
Time to dish up. We have our Mediterranean bowl. This is gyro, this is rice, lemon rice, and corn. It's just like a base so that you can build it however you would like. This is for Charles, who usually comes back multiple times. So starting here, adding cucumber and tomatoes for freshness. Feta makes it better. Hummus, right in the middle. These children in the lemon juice, it doesn't matter what I make. They will literally come and sprinkle lemon juice on it. Alfredo, lemon juice, a little lemon. So, yeah, sprinkle of lemon juice for sure. Pita chips, right on the side. Kids are down here and they are hungry, so this is what's for dinner. What are you having for dinner tonight? Also, make sure that you follow so we can FaceTime every 5 minutes because we are best friends. Duh.